This video may contain minor bouts of violence, dirty language, and many shenanigans. Viewer discretion is advised.
Alright, people. Day 43, 44, somewhere in that range. I know you get tired of hearing me say this, but guess what? We're still at Miss Janet's. We're gonna do a little slack packing today, knock out some miles, then come back and hang with Miss Janet because she is freaking awesome. And yes, she will be on our episode. Don't worry, I'm just giving you guys the suspense of waiting to meet Miss Janet. Okay, but she has invited us to stay for the week, and we are going to go help her with trail days, getting set up, because she loves our crew. And yeah, we're going to have a blast at trail days, do some hiking, hang out with Miss Janet. It's been a great week. So there's the legend right there. Just wave behind. Yeah, so we're gonna get to hiking, people. Check this. This is day 42, 43, somewhere around there, 41, I don't know. Stayed at Miss Janet, slack packing. Come across a beautiful waterfall. It's quite nice. See it? You know, you hear it. But can you see it? Beautiful. Coming right out the side of the mountain. I love it. I love you, AT. Hey, people. Gotta hike. Pretty man. Pretty cool. Nice little watershed. It's good to be back in the forest again. Right, Cody? Beautiful sound. Nice. The beauty. Look at the beauty. Alright, people. Gotta hike up this hill here. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Nice. Beautiful.
I wouldn't sit on that log.
I know. Looks kind of broken, though.
Not that far at all.
Nice. Good stuff. Nice shit here in North Carolina or Tennessee or wherever the hell we're at. What? Are you going up there? Yeah. Beautiful. I love it, people. I love the A2. Alright, time to hike. Alright, people. Here's our views for the day. Nice. Beautiful. That's west, isn't it? Can't tell, the sun's not up. Think west?
Hell, I ain't no animatologist.
You ain't no animatologist? Why not? The fuck, where do we get an animatologist in? I need to just figure it out. Beautiful views, guys. Beautiful. You should get your butts out here and join us. Get your arses out here, lad. Hit me up on Messenger if you want to come hike with us. Make you some spear steak. Alright, people. Gotta hike. Peace. These ferns. So abundant. You never see ferns like this at home. This is bam. Beautiful boys and girls. It's gorgeous. Ferned hillsides as far as you can see. Nice. And this is the view from High Rock. I have to say that it's not that high. I mean, for real. Come on, guys. We can get higher than this. So much higher. Safety meeting! Stuff if you need it, just let me know what you want to know.
What I want to see is what you're using and what kind of software you're using, and
I use this camera for this is my main camera.
right.
And it's an action camera. It's the same as a GoPro basically, but it's a little bit different as you can see.
Yeah, well, I like the viewfinder and stuff. It gives you.
This is Miss Janet. I love the viewfinder, and it's waterproof as is.
A lot of it is the the post video editing and putting together, because I am an editor, because I can't trust you all.
No, I'm the same way. I'm an editor too. Yeah, I don't trust anybody with my video footage. No, of course not.
Well, I mean, I don't trust a bunch of 9-year-olds if I'm videoing what I'm going to end up with. So we're not doing that live stuff.
So we're here with Miss Janet. She's invited us into her home. We got Steve in here. Caveman, Kara, Sunshine. You want to introduce yourself to my YouTube channel?
Hey, how's it going?
Yep.
What's your name?
Canada, what's your name?
Panther. Sorry.
Pink Panther.
Yeah, I gotta say my name. Okay.
Old McStudley and Honey Buns. And there's some more people around here somewhere. Limping Eagles, limping his ass out of the tent there. And come on over, buddy. He's had plenty of guest appearances here. First time me and Limping Eagle met was on top of a mountain, and I get up to the top and he's sitting on a rock smoking a bowl. I sit down next to him. I'm like, "What's up, buddy?" He's like, "You want to hit this?" And I had the camera rolling. I'm like, "Oh, safety meeting." We stopped that real quick. Then we kick back on, and he's got a freaking bottle of whiskey on top of the mountain. I had just walked freaking 9 miles. You know, I had still another 4 to go or some shit, and we sat there and drank that whole bottle of whiskey. And
you didn't make 4 more miles?
I did. I made it, and it was lovely. It was lovely. I had a great time. But yeah. Yep, we're at Miss Janet's having a campfire, enjoying life.
We're just training for trail days.
Yes.
Yes, that's it.
Yes.
It's
This is pre-training.
We don't have the drums yet, but they're coming. Don't worry.
We're going to have some noisemakers.
I might make a special drum. All right. Because I've got some skills at this, and then give it to you as
have
a
an
present.
idea?
When you,
What kind of drum?
I don't know though.
But did you see the tub? I mean the blue thing?
Oh, I love the blue
So
thing.
I
Yeah.
think that what we need to do. What if we just like cut one hole out of the bottom, just like an oval hole? Do you think that would still give us the bass and still let the sound come out the bottom?
I don't know. I'm not familiar with drums.
Maybe Nate might know,
Because not like maybe only like a third of the way around, instead of, and then it would still have the strength.
Well, they sell pleather at Walmart.
Well, we don't want to make a lid. We want to use the plastic.
You want to use the plastic instead?
The hardest,
Okay.
this is what to explain to you.
hillbilly
A
music.
drum, no, this is a drum circle gets so intense that people that have the really good instruments out there are real disappointed at the end of the night. Because they
Really?
usually have busted their heads and
Destroyed everything. Yeah.
So we started doing acrylic drums, and buckets and anything else that's acoustic, but giving us some.
Well, that's what I was thinking. I was thinking stretch a piece of that cheap pleather over a bucket and use an O clamp.
The pleather wouldn't
It won't hold
survive
up.
an
You're
hour.
right. You're right.
I mean,
It
that's
wouldn't.
just it. As a head, it wouldn't survive an hour.
No.
I was looking at some little drums that you could do like 5 layers of tape, and I was thinking about trying one of those because it's still just disposable and it's just tape, but it looked like it hung together a little bit better than most cloth. Most cloth, even like the pleather or vinyl,
I just want to get some different sound out of it. You know what I mean?
Very low. I mean, they don't have much volume.
Yeah, I couldn't stretch it tight enough and keep it stretched tight enough either. Probably.
But I was amazed at the tape.
Yeah.
Like just like layers and layers and layers of packing tape.
No doubt.
Like a layer of, and then I got all this vinyl tape.
Nice.
But last year we went through 10 Home Depot buckets.
Oh no!
And everybody's hands were bleeding from
drumming, yeah.
Because the buckets were just, they had ridges, and we duct taped all the ridges, but they still, you beat through the tape before the night was over.
Yep.
I think that's awesome.
Did
The biggest thing is
you get you some of that?
Things that
Oh, you got some of that. Want to try some of this?
Is so inclined to pick it up and bang a while.
You don't have need mixer for that. You just pour it
I
in
know.
nice.
I'm gonna give it a shot right now.
Yeah.
It's addictive. You want to get up and start dancing
Oh yeah.
It's cheap too. It's like 16 bucks
This is the
for
biggest
this
problem
thing.
that I have. I went to the campground today, guys,
is
so I got to
good.
tell you, the campground is in wonderful shape. They have worked harder than I've ever
Okay.
known them to on this campground. We have a nice big road, a nice big gravel road through the whole thing.
Oh, apple.
Apple, it's good. Tastes lovely.
All the way through the campground, we've got tons of wood, and it's all cut the right way. It's not humongous
It is whiskey,
logs
but-
or house or anything like they've done to me before.
Nice.
I showed up there one year.
No?
And they'd always,
Yeah, try some of
we
that.
got you some wood out there for your bonfire, Miss Janet. And I'm like, all right, cool.
It is
I get out
delicious.
there and I just cried. I just stood there and cried. They had taken a house.
No? I like it though. It's good.
This is just like, they bulldozed the house. There was tile, there was tin, there was glass. It took a second.
Oh, you said it was sauce?
I mean, I can get you there. You just gotta trust me.
Do it. Do it. Come on. You have to now.
Alright, so you're up here, hand on your hip, hand on my hip.
But these two are doing
What are you doing? You're like shuffling like that.
cha-cha-cha. He's doing the cha-cha. Did you wrench your back?
It does help with that girl too.